Today I am reviewing the Lenovo Legion Go handheld gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's start with the heart of the machine, the AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor. This isn't your average mobile chip. We're talking about an APU that delivers incredible multitasking power and high frame rates across modern AAA titles. Whether you're grinding through Elden Ring, battling it out in Call of Duty, or diving deep into indie gems, the Legion Go ensures your gameplay stays fluid, responsive, and fully immersive. No more worrying about lag or stutter. This processor brings desktop-level power to the palm of your hand. Now let's talk visuals. The Legion Go's 8.8-inch WQXGA touchscreen display is nothing short of stunning. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600 and a buttery smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, every frame pops with crystal clarity. Whether you're exploring richly detailed open worlds or navigating high-speed racing games, this screen turns mobile gaming into a cinematic experience. And yes, it's a touchscreen, adding another layer of interaction, convenience, and control for both gaming and general use. Storage? Covered. With a 512GB SSD, you've got ample room for your favorite AAA titles, indie games, emulators, and even media files. This isn't just for gaming. You can use it as a portable workstation or entertainment hub. The SSD ensures fast load times and snappy system performance, meaning less waiting and more playing. Sound is another area where the Legion Go over-delivers. The dual stereo speakers offer crisp highs and deep, rich bass. Whether you're using built-in speakers or headphones, you'll enjoy an immersive audio experience that rivals full-size setups. And thanks to the integrated camera, you can also chat with friends, stream gameplay, or join video calls without skipping a beat. Now, the design and portability deserve their own spotlight. At just under 2 pounds, the Legion Go is lightweight and ultra-portable, making it ideal for travel, commutes, or just kicking back on the couch. Despite its compact size, it still feels incredibly solid in the hands, with a premium build that screams durability and precision. But what truly separates the Legion Go from other handhelds is the customizable gaming controls. Featuring 24 on-gamepad buttons, it offers unmatched flexibility and control for gamers of all styles. You can remap buttons, tweak sensitivity, and fine-tune your setup to suit every genre, from FPS to RPG to MOBA. It's not just a gaming device, it's an extension of your playstyle. And when it comes to connectivity, this device truly excels. With USB 4 ports at 40 gigabits per second, Ethernet capability, and other high-speed I/O options, you're never stuck in a bottleneck. Whether you're uploading gameplay, downloading updates, or connecting to external monitors and accessories, the Legion Go keeps up with your pace. On top of all that, the device runs on Windows 10, giving you full access to the Windows ecosystem. From Steam and Xbox Game Pass to productivity apps and media players, you're not just buying a handheld console, you're getting a full-fledged PC in a gamer's body. With over 640 customer reviews, averaging 4.4 stars, it's already proven itself as a top-tier choice in its category, ranking in the top 150 video game consoles and accessories on Amazon. This device is more than hype. It delivers real-world results for real gamers. To sum it up, the Lenovo Legion Go is not just a product. It's a portal into uncompromised, on-the-go gaming. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to invest in a handheld gaming PC that feels truly next-gen, this is your moment. Take the leap. Upgrade your mobile gaming life. Grab the Legion Go and game like never before, anytime, anywhere.